In this video, we will learn how to remove pages from PDF. So let's start. So this is my PDF. So I show here, I just double click on this PDF and I showing you. So this is a one presentation here in PDF. So I'm going to remove some pages of this PDF. So I just close this now and I go to the one website. Okay, it's totally free to use. So website URL ilovepdf.com/remove dash pages. So you can use this link, and after that just click on the select PDF option. Okay, and here I just go to the desktop and I select here the PDF and click on the open, and you can see the all PDF pages is here showing. So 1 to 8 pages in one PDF. So here the right hand side have a remove pages. Click on the pages to remove from the document. You can use the shift key to set the range. Okay, so you just click on it and remove it. You can see the cross sign showing here. So I just want to remove this, and I want to remove this one also. So 2 and 4 is removed. Pages to remove is showing here 2 and 4. So I want to remove one more. So this one. Okay, 247, and click on the remove pages. So that's it, your PDF is ready after remove the some pages. Just click on the download PDF, and here just click on here the downloaded file in download folder of your laptop. I just double click on this file and check here the total 8 pages, and now here total 5 pages in this PDF. You can see only 5 pages here because 3 pages I remove from the PDF. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.